Morning. Today we are doing very important topic called as circle. We'll wait for 5 minutes, students. Till only handful of participants have joined. Waiting for others to join. Okay. Good morning, students. Almost third week is going on, and we are expecting to complete our portion by next week. We're planning to take two offline exams so that you will get idea about how to mark on OMR sheets. I don't know what's wrong. Still only 55 participants have joined. Topic is very important. I can't start unless at least minimum 100, 150 should join. It's 7:31. We'll start the lecture exactly at 7:35 without any delay. So students, let's start the chapter circle. This chapter is very important for ICSE students because few concepts are totally different for them. For SSC students, they already feel that circle is very difficult. So today I will be doing from scratch. I will share one file with you people. Okay, so students, these are all basics of the chapter. Now, I don't know whether you wish to write, whether you want me to send PDF, so that it depends totally on you. So let's start. Okay, first of all, basics of the chapter. We'll be doing lot of theory part today. Yes, Arya Pawar. We will be doing lots of theorems and properties today. I recommend side by side, if you note down certain point, it will help you to understand the concept very well. No need to write definitions or no need to write in detail the derivations, but at least highlight the important points or the theorems or the properties which we are studying. Now, circle is a set of points in the plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So basically, if you see, circle is a set of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Say O is a fixed point. So distance from O is always equal. And this distance is called as radius. So students, what is radius? The segment joining center and any point of the circle is called radius. Okay, so that is my next. The segment joining center and any point on the radius, like this. Here they go. This is radius. And the segment joining any two points of the circle is called chord. Sir, ये तो हम लोग ने 9th में किया है, 8th में किया है. We are wasting time. No. Small things if you have forgotten, so you can recollect in today's class. So what is the difference between chord and radii? See, in radii means center to circle and chord means circle to circle. See the difference. Acha, circle has infinite chords, infinite radii, but all chords are not equal. ये एक chord है, दूसरा chord ऐसा भी होगा, तीसरा chord ऐसा भी होगा. They are not equal, but all radii are congruent. Please note, all chords of the circle are congruent. This is a false statement. Then diameter, the chord which passes through the center of the circle is the diameter. And diameter is the longest chord. See, diameter is the longest chord and it is double the radius. These 2 points are very important for MCQ. What they will ask, they will just give you, okay, diameter is 12√2 centimeter. Find the radius. So radius is half of the diameter. So divide by 2, so answer will be 6. Or they will give you like this, ki radius is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Find length of the longest chord. So आपको पता होना है longest chord is a diameter, which is twice the radius. So 5.5 into 2. So this diameter part is very important for sorry. This diameter part is very important for MCQ. So type के MCQ you can expect here. Now, secant. What is secant? The line which intersect the circle in 2 different points. See, basically, it is a chord which you extend in both the direction. It is called secant. So chord is a segment, secant is a line. If you extend chord, you will get secant. Only what is the condition for secant? Please remember, it should cut the circle in different points. Then tangent, the line that touches the circle at only one point. When I use the word touching the circle, please remember it is only one point, like this. Ye dekho. The line that touches the circle at only one point is tangent, and jidhar touch karti hai, that point is called point of contact. Please remember that tangent touches the circle at only one point, and that one point is called point of contact. Then congruent circles, very simple, same radii. Then concentric circles, same center, like this. Circles with same center but different radii, they are called as concentric circles. Then externally touching. If circles touch each other from outside, they are externally touching. Internally touching, if circles touch each other from inside, internally touching. So when I say touching, students, there should be one point common. So whatever I have explained till now, I will just give you internally, externally, difference and the condition. See, suppose ये एक circle है, this is another circle, they touch each other externally. ये दूसरा circle है और ये circle, they touch each other internal. Now students, please अच्छे से देखो what I am saying. These are externally touching circles, and on the right we have internally touching circles, right? So suppose this is the center of the circle, this is the center of the circle, and this is the point of contact. जिधर वो touch करते हैं. अच्छा, now the property says they are collinear. Centers of the touching circles and this point of contact, they are collinear. They are on the same line. तो अगर ये A और B है और टच करने वाला पॉइंट C है, so A dash O dash B. So if R1 is the radius of one circle and R2 is the radius of second circle, so AB will be R1 plus R2. Here if you say ये center इसका, ये center इसका है, again centers of the touching circles and point of contact are collinear. So this point and this point and this point. Suppose ये A है, ये B है, center. Now R1 is the radius of bigger circle and R2 is the radius of inner circle. So AB will be R1 minus R2. So these are internally touching circles. And these are externally touching. Okay, so I want you to just draw diagram and copy the formula. 100% MCQ आएगा, I will tell you. Please draw diagram and then I will give you question. Okay, I think all have copied. Yes, I will give you type of questions there is. What type of questions are expected? Please. They will give you, the question will be like this. You can copy with me. Diameters of two internally touching circles are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the distance between their center. Okay, send answers in chat box. I will just wait. Wrong, Soham. Yes, yes. Gargi correct. Arya Pawar wrong. Arya Sawant wrong. Vedika wrong. Maitri correct. Tanvi correct. Shreya Shubra wrong. Kshitij correct. Aryan correct. Ojas wrong. Vedika correct. Wait. Now stop, stop. See what I told you. आपको क्या याद रखना है? Please. See, internally में आपको subtract करना है. Okay. So that is, many have done sir 12 minus 8 4. But students, please, diameter से not radii. तो पहले उसको हाफ करो. 12 का आधा 6 हुआ, 8 का आधा 4 हुआ और बाद में माइनस करो. So these are the type of tricky questions you can ask. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. The same questions, oh, the same questions I will give you. Students, you message me. अगर internally के बजाय externally word आएगा तो आंसर क्या है? Please send fast. Yes, Arya correct. Yes, correct. Yes, now correct. All have correct. Stop saying. Stop. Now student, ये 6 और 4 है. Externally, so I will add 6 plus 4, that is 10. So this type of MCQ you can expect in exam. Okay. Now stop sending messages. Again, I will shift to the next part, that is properties. These are the properties which we studied in earlier standard in SSC as well as ICSE. We studied all these properties in 9th standard or 8th standard. मेरा first property क्या है देखो. Suppose O is center of the circle and R is the radius. अच्छा, point P if lies outside the circle, so naturally the distance will be greater than the radius. Okay, and if point lies inside the circle, then the distance will be lesser than the radius. And if point lies on the circle, the distance will be equal to the. Okay, so please, whether the point lies inside or outside or on the circle will depend on the distance. If the distance is equal to radius on the circle, if the distance is greater than radius outside, lesser than radius inside. Okay, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Then my third, we already did. Centers of the externally touching circles, they are collinear, and this is sum and difference externally internal. Then property of a diameter. अगर पेपर डिफिकल्ट आया तो ही ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ डायमीटर क्या है. सी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डायमीटर क्या है? सपोज ये डायमीटर है, AB is a diameter. Angle subtended by diameter At any point on the circle is right angle. Circle पे कोई भी point ले लो और join करेंगे तो ये angle 90 आता है. Everybody knows this very well. अच्छा, but if point is inside the circle, the angle subtended is acute, and if point lies inside, the angle subtended is obtuse. These are the properties. Please remember. ये शॉर्ट प्रॉपर्टी है, अगर पेपर डिफिकल्ट तो एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते. उसके बाद ये चार थियरम है जो हम लोग आई विल एक्सप्लेन डायग्राम. यस, सी चार थियरम में बोलने वाला है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट विल रियली हेल्प यू इन सॉल्विंग सम. सपोज O is the center of the circle and AB is the chord. O is the center. Now the property says from center of the circle, if perpendicular is drawn on the chord, if you draw perpendicular, what is the property, students? Message me. From center of the chord, if perpendicular is drawn on the chord, what will be the property? Yes, yes, yes. Ansh Mishra, correct, correct, correct. It bisects the chord, correct. So AX and BX are equal. Very good. Converse, अगर X midpoint है, the segment joining the center and midpoint is perpendicular. So students, please remember, perpendicular होगा तो bisect करेगा, bisect करेगा तो perpendicular. दोनों properties हम लोग ने already studied in 9. अभी सर इसका काम किधर आएगा? Yes, I will take. They will ask you, find the distance of chord AB from center. Okay, given that chord AB is 48 centimeter and radius is 25. Please send me in chat. I'm waiting. No, I want what is the distance of the chord from the center? Yes. WA02MA, ये गाड़ी का नंबर है क्या? Please change. Student, write your name so that I will get idea who's taking my answer. Yes, right answers I got from someone. It is WA02MA38. I don't know. Please rename yourself. Okay, Kshitij wrong. Anybody else, please? I'm waiting for others to send the answers. Kargilad, correct. Kargilad, right answer. Yes. Now wait. Yes. Acha, Kaustubh Patnaik, correct. Shubham, right. Jitesh, wrong. Acha, wait. Stop sending. First of all, ये देखो मैंने क्या बोला. Radius 25. So students, ये 25. OB 25 होगा. Okay. Now, AB 48 है. Now perpendicular bisects the chord. तो ये 24 आया. Right? Pythagoras. Now use Pythagoras and find OX. So answer will be 7. OX square plus OB square is OB. Right? So OX square plus OXB. If you solve, you will get OX with B. This type of questions expect in exam. उसके बाद और जो properties है, please remember. Congruent chords. If chords are congruent, अच्छा, like this. अगर chords equal है, if chords are congruent, then they are equidistant from the center. So this perpendicular distance and this perpendicular distance is same. Not necessary they have to be parallel. If chords are equal, they are equidistant from the center. That is, this perpendicular distances are equal. And other way, chords which are equidistant from the center are congruent. Please don't get confused. If chords are equal, perpendicular distances are equal. And if perpendicular distances are equal, then chords are equal. These are all the properties we studied in standard 9. But they are very basic, and it is expected that you should know all these properties when you move in standard 10. So in CT, 100% you can expect such silly questions. When I say silly, they're really very easy, but if you don't know the property, you cannot answer. Okay. So any doubt from this particular part, you can just ask me. Otherwise, I will just start the next point. Let us move. I will just, sorry, I will just, after all, if you have any doubt, you can send in chat box. I will try to rectify your query. Diameter is the longest chord, very important. Diameter is double the radius. Then concentric circles. Externally touching, internally touching. Externally, sum of radii. Internally, difference of radii. Then point distance is greater than radius, then point lies outside. Lesser than radius, point lies inside. ये भी आएगा. Then four properties. I will be explaining this theorem, tangent theorem, then converse of tangent theorem, and tangent segment theorem. So no need to learn these proofs or something. So I want you to write with me whenever that tangent related question will come, I want you to write with me. Yes, someone raise hand. Yes, किसी को कुछ doubt है? Any query? Yes. Then you can send in chat. Now, students, when a question related to tangent will come, you should know four different properties, four different points, so that you can answer any question related to tangent. Number one, you should remember what is the definition that the line touches the circle at only one point. Please, you can write with me. Definition है tangent का. उसके बाद tangent theorem. What is tangent theorem? Tangent theorem says that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. Suppose ये student ये देखो, line is the tangent, A is the point of contact, O is the center. So at point of contact, if you draw radius, then A is perpendicular to the line. This is called tangent theorem. If tangent is perpendicular to the radius at point of, okay, I will write tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn at point of contact. Now, next is the converse of tangent theorem. Converse of tangent theorem क्या होगा? Exactly उल्टा. If it is if the line makes right angle, it is a tangent. Okay. So, and last is tangent segment drawn from outside point are congruent. I want you to copy all 4 points, then I will explain the last property and then we will take few sums based on this. Please hurry up. Yes. This 4 point, yes, Ansh copy. Then can you explain third point? Yes. Third point is the converse of this theorem. Second theorem क्या बोलेगा कि ये tangent और radius का angle 90 होता है. Converse उल्टा बोलेगा if a line makes right angle at the outside point of the radius, then it will be a tangent. Means इसके उल्टा कि अगर line radius और radius का angle right angle है, you can say the line is a tangent. That is a converse. Okay. Now, see, before I explain the fourth tangent segments drawn from outside point are congruent, I will just explain you first of all how many tangents you can draw. If point is outside the circle, who will tell me how many tangents you can draw passing through P? Infinite किसी ने भेजा है. Is the wrong answer? Correct. Majority answer is correct. You can draw 2 tangents. Okay. देखो एक तो ऐसे आएगा इधर से, yes. दूसरा ऐसे आएगा इधर से, yes. So PA and PB, they are tangents, right? Now segment PA and segment PB, they are called tangent segments. Students अच्छे से देखो, from outside point till the point of contact, जिधर touch कर दे उधर, from outside point till point of contact, they are called tangent segment. And students, they are always equal. PA is equal to PB. अभी ये प्रूव करने के लिए मैं क्या करेगा, I will just join this two. अच्छा, ये अभी ये दो ट्राइंगल है, OA and OB are radii, OP common side, and angle A and angle B 90 because tangent theorem. So triangles are congruent by hypoid or RHS test. So PA is equal to PB, CPCG. Okay. So please, tangent segments drawn from outside point are equal. अगर ये 7 centimeter है तो PP is also 7 centimeter. Please remember. Any question from this particular 4 points you can ask me. if you have any doubts related to these 4 points, yes, you can. Okay, if no, I will shift to the next. Based on this concept, what type of questions are asked? हम लोग साथ में करने वाले हैं. Okay, write down. First question ये है मेरा. I want you to answer this particular question. PA, you can draw diagram with me. PA and PB are the tangent segments. अच्छा. Angle BPA is 40 degrees. Find angle AOB, question mark. First. Send in chat box. No, 80 is wrong answer. 70 is again wrong. Yes, WA02MA right. It is miracle right. Subra wrong. Hitesh correct. Yes, stop sending. अभी ये देखो. ये तो टेंजेंट है, मतलब ये एंगल 90 हुआ और ये एंगल 40 है स्टूडेंट्स. Now you know sum of a quadrilateral. So angle BOA plus 90 plus 40 plus 90 is 360. At least write this. So angle 140 answer आएगा. Okay. So this you can expect. This is very simple and very easy, sir. Yes. और एक one more. Now, students, one more type of question what they can ask. Two tangents. Is like this and one is like this. Okay. Two tangents are perpendicular to each other. Then what is the type of quadrilateral ABCO? अच्छा, ये randomly आंसर सबका बराबर है स्क्वायर, लेकिन you have to tell me कि क्यों ऐसा होता है. I will tell you. Square is the correct answer because angle A and C right angle है because tangent error. Teen angle 90, the next angle is also 90. And students AO and BO are equal because they are radii. So it is a square. Please remember this type of sum you can expect. Very easy. और एक ये भी आ सकता है. If BP is 10 centimeter, what is AP? So tangent segments are equal. तो अगर एक 10 है तो दूसरा भी 10 ही आएगा. Okay. Yes. So these type of questions we can expect from tangent. Now students, before I move to the next part, and that is the arc of a circle, which is very important and which is different for ICSE students. The concepts are different. Okay. So please, I want you all to focus what I'm sharing. Is मैंने किया R. See, in ICSE, we don't concept of arc. What we arc in S. अच्छा, actually, arc. What is arc? My first question. Arc is a part of a circle. तो अगर ये एक सर्कल है, लोडिंग प्लीज, यस, ये देखो, if if this is a circle, then arc is part of a circle. Circle का एक part है. Like I told you, A, X, B. Arc is part of a circle. अच्छा. Now in SSC, we have a concept of arc has measure. जैसे angle को measure होता है, arc has measure. This we don't had in ICSE. So every arc has measure and length both. Now arc has two parameters: the length like a segment and measure like angle. जैसे एंगल को मेजर होता है 70 डिग्री, जैसे मेजर ऑफ आर्क ए एक्स बी, आर्क को भी मेजर होता है 70 डिग्री. एंड जैसे सेगमेंट है द लेंथ से ए बी 7 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ए एक्स बी इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. So arc has length, arc has measure. Please remember, these are very important. Now, how to find length and how to find measure, they are very important. They are very important, and I will explain this concept with a small figure. See, first of all, ये circle है. Arc is part of the circle. I can say arc AXB. Arc is always named with 3 letters, not with only 2. When I say arc AXB, it is from A to B via X. तो सर X की जरूरत क्या है? X की जरूरत है. If I say just arc AB, I can have ये भी AB होगा और ये भी AB होगा. So I can have 2 arcs. So I have to take any letter in between. It should pass through that letter. अभी सर ये लेटर किधर भी हो सकता है. Not necessarily the letter has to be in between. ये इधर भी ले सकते हैं. Any point between A and B. Now, as I said, every arc has measure, every arc has length. So, measure of arc AXB is nothing but measure of the central angle. सेंट्रल एंगल सबको मालूम है, आईसीएससी में भी था और एसएससी में भी था. तो अगर मैं ये ज्वाइन करेगा ए और बी ओ, तो ये सेंट्रल एंगल मीन्स इसका वर्टेक्स सेंटर पे होता है. एंगल विद वर्टेक्स इज एट द सेंटर इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रल एंगल. So if central angle is 100, measure of arc is 100. If central angle is 150, measure of arc is 1. Okay. Now, and what is length of arc? Length of arc का formula है theta upon 3 into 2 pi. What is theta? Theta is basically central angle. अच्छा, so students, please remember this very well. How to find measure of the arc and how to find length of the arc. These are very important. Now, measure of circle, ये पूरा circle का measure ये मालूम है 360 degree. And measure of semicircle is 180 degree. ये सबको मालूम है. Then measure arc. When I say measured greater than 180. When I say minor arc. When I say minor, it is lesser than 180. Please copy fast these points. This is very important because the ICSE board को concept नहीं था. Okay, please copy. Okay. We never studied the concept of measure of R. Please remember. But now it is there. Yes, Kshitish, the question is what is the unit of measurement? Same है. Measure है ना, so it is degree. और length है वो सेंटीमीटर मीटर. Okay. Vedant. How angle CPA is 1970? Okay. एक वेदांत का क्वेश्चन जो पीछे आता है. ये गिवन है कि ये CBA एंगल 90 गिवन था कि दो टेंजेंट्स दे आर परपेंडिकुलर. ओके. Okay, good. So I hope you have copied. Stop sharing. Now we move to next part. कि सेंट्रल एंगल क्या है. उसकी ये तो सबको कॉमन था. व्हाट इज इंटरसेप्टेड आर. इंटरसेप्टेड means R which lies inside the angle. अब ये एंगल है इसके अंदर की, ये एंगल है इसके अंदर की. एंगल के अंदर ये दो है. एंगल के अंदर ये आर, ये एंगल के अंदर. एंगल के अंदर वाली आर्क होती है उसको इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क बोलते हैं. आर्क्स which in the interior part of an angle. ओके. अभी मेरा नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट एकदम इंपॉर्टेंट है. दोनों को था, आईसीसी में भी था, एफएस था. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल. ओके. ओके, ये देखो. सी for angle is inscribed, inscribed angle का कंडीशन क्या है? I will tell you. Suppose angle with vertex is on the circle. I will repeat. Vertex has to be on the circle. And both the arms should cut the circle in different points. I will repeat. Angle whose vertex lies at the center, vertex circle पे, and both the arms should cut the circle. Then that angle is called inscribed angle. Please. Inscribed angle. Angle ABC. सेंट्रल एंगल अगर मैं बोलेगा, एंगल AOC. Yes. Okay. Central angle. Angle AOC. अच्छा. इंटरसेप्टेड आर. इंटरसेप्टेड आर मैंने क्या बोला? एंगल के अंदर वाली ये इंटरसेप्टेड आर है. ओके, बिकॉज ये मेरा एंगल है, इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल है. कि अंदर वाली आर्क है ए एक्स सी, उसको मैं इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क बोलेगा। नाउ इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है एसएससी आईसीएससी में, हो सकता है इसके लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ। इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम क्या है, आईसीएससी में हम लोग ने बोला था, मैं दोनों लिखता हूँ, बाद में मैं कंपेयर करूंगा। Inscribed angle, if inscribed angle and central angle they share same arc, देखो ABC और AOC के अंदर की आर्क सेम है, then central angle is double of inscribed angle। तो मेरा थ्योरम था कि एंगल AOC is 2 times AB। एसएससी में क्या बोलते हैं कि inscribed angle is half of the intersected arc, major angle AB is half of major arc AXC। अच्छा, दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है, बट ये एसएससी और आईसीएससी का फर्क है, इसके लिए कंफ्यूजन होगा। एसएससी वाले बच्चे यू डोंट रिमेम्बर दिस वेरी, ये आप भूल जाओ, एसएससी वाले बंदे ये भूल जाओ, बट आईसीएससी वाले बंदों को ये भी पहले सीखा था हम लोग ने, और अभी ये पढ़ना है, दोनों में कुछ फर्क नहीं है, दे आर वन एंड द सेम। इमेजिन करो, मैंने बोला सेंट्रल एंगल इज डबल ऑफ इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल, तो ये 2 इधर आएगा, तो इन शॉर्ट कि इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल इज हाफ ऑफ द सेंट्रल एंगल एंड सेंट्रल एंगल इज नथिंग बट द आर्क, so it is half of the arc, they are one and the same। अच्छा, तो एमसीक्यू के लिए आप दोनों कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम क्या बोलता है, इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल इज हाफ ऑफ द इंटर। ओके ओके ओके। उसके बाद और एक प्रॉपर्टी है कि इस दोनों में था एंगल subtended by same RO, angle subtended by same arc are formed। ये देखो, सपोज ये ए बी, तो ये देखो एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी दे हैव सेम इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क, दोनों के अंदर की आर्क सेम है। देखो ये एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी दे शेयर सेम आर्क एंड सच एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल। एमसीक्यू के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, के एंगल inscribed in same arc are equal। बराबर है, तो एंगल ए बी डी is equal to angle A। I want you all to copy this फटाफट points। I know I will be sending you have recording, but then also एक बार लिखेंगे तो it will help। At least you copy angle AOC is equal R। Okay, now there is one more property। See, there is one more property। सेमीसर्कल डायामीटर है, हम लोग ने पहले ही बोला था कि डायामीटर एंगल इन सेमीसर्कल इज ऑलवेज राइट एंगल। अगर डायामीटर दिया है तो उसका एंगल हमेशा 90 होता है, तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंगल इन सेमीसर्कल। So please draw diagram side by side, angle in a semicircle is 90. Then cyclic quadrilateral है. Cyclic quadrilateral क्या होता है कि quadrilateral whose all the four vertices lie on the same curve. बराबर है, सबको मालूम है. ये cyclic, ओके, सबको मालूम. Now साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की दो प्रॉपर्टी. नंबर वन, पहला वाला प्रॉपर्टी क्या बोलता है? ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर सप्लीमेंट एंगल पे साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर सप्लीमेंट्री. इसका मतलब एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी इज 180 डिग्री, एंगल बी प्लस एंगल डी इज 180 degree. Very important for exam. They will give you कि angle A is 3 times angle C. Find angle A and angle C. Who will tell me? Angle A is 3 times angle C. Find angle A. So you send me in chat box A का आंसर क्या आता है? No, no, Arya. No, no. आर्या नीट विचार कर. एंगल ए चाहिए मेरे को, नॉट सी. तो WA02 रॉन्ग. आर्या पवार करेक्ट, नेहा करेक्ट, अंश मिश्रा करेक्ट. स्टॉप स्टॉप स्टॉप. करेक्ट. एंगल ए 3 टाइम्स सी, मतलब अगर ये x होगा तो ये 3x है, तो क्वेश्चन आएगा x प्लस 3x इज 180. So 4x is 180. So x will be 45. But I want A. So 45 into 3 will be 135. ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. ओके. नाउ और एक साइक्लिक का प्रॉपर्टी है, इस साइक्लिक का कोई भी साइड आप एक्सटेंड करते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. और ये जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, इट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू बाजू वाले का सामने वाला. मैंने ये लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था, बाजू वाले का सामने वाला मतलब एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज इक्वल टू बाजू वाले का सामने वाला. सो इट इज इक्वल टू एंगल बी. सो आई कैन राइट angle AB is equal to angle ABC. Now reason is very simple. Opposite angles are supplementary, so this plus this 180 and they are linear pair, so this plus this is 180. So this D will get cancelled and B and D are equal. Okay. So please remember this property. I want you all to copy all the three fatafat. It will really help you in solving the sum. अगर आपके पास सभी ready reckoner है, so it will really help. Okay, I will give a small exercise like this based on this concept. It is given that ABCD is cyclic. This angle is 110. Find angle ABD if AB and AD are equal. Find angle ABD. See, please tell me फटाफट. Send in chat. Wrong. हाँ, पहले का chat clear हुआ. No, wrong. WA02 MA38 wrong. और भी भेजो, फटाफट भेजो आंसर. आई एम वेटिंग. Wrong. Shreya Shubhra wrong. Arya Pawar wrong. Ansh wrong. Arey, Kshitij wrong. Vedant wrong. Gargi wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. एक भी आंसर करेक्ट नहीं आया. I don't know. अच्छा, okay, okay. Let us try for one more minute. Oh, तनिष्का का परफेक्ट आया. WA02 करेक्ट, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. तो स्टूडेंट आंसर इज 55 डिग्री. अभी मैं बोल दूं कैसा आया. सॉरी, अभी मैं बोलूं कैसा आया. 55 डिग्री आंसर. वेरी गुड. कितनी प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, ये पहले मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया है. अच्छा, आप मेजोरिटी लोगों ने 70 आंसर बोला है, लेकिन बाजू वाले का सामने वाला मतलब ये 70 आएगा, बट आई वांट ये वाला. Now AB is equal to AD, so base angles are equal XX. So you will write X plus 70 is 180, and then you will get my point. All have understood? Yes, yes. अभी और एक सम मैं देता हूँ to clear the concept so that हम लोग थोड़ा आगे बढ़ सकते. अभी ये क्वेश्चन देखो. You can draw diagram with me so that it will save your time. अच्छा, what is measure of arc ABC? Send in chat box. सॉरी. ओ माय गॉड, पहले वाले का आंसर मेरा मैंने कुछ उल्टा फुल्टा किया था. आंसर 35 आएगा, नॉट 55. किसी ने बोला, मैंने फटाफट किया. आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट पार्ट वंस अगेन. यस, यस, यस. 35 is the correct answer, not 55. Right, right. So, measure of arc ABC find out करना है. Send in chat box. No, Arya Pawar wrong. Sharwari wrong. No, 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 not Joshi, not correct. Read the question carefully. Yes, WA02 MA38 right answer. No, इसने कुछ भी किया है. नेहा करेक्ट. तो स्टूडेंट स्टॉप राइट सेंडिंग आंसर. मैंने बोला था एंगल इज हाफ ऑफ द आर्क. तो अगर एंगल 100 है तो आर्क एंगल 50 है तो आर्क 100 आएगा. बट आई वांट आर्क एबीसी, तो मेरे को ये बाहर का आर्क निकालना है. So it will be 360 minus 100. So answer will be 260 degree. Correct? सबको समझा 260 कैसे आया? Is it clear? Yes. 240 नहीं, 260. अच्छा, अभी थोड़ा पहले वाला सम का मेरा गड़बड़ मैं क्लियर करता हूँ प्लीज. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ और रियली सॉरी. क्या किया? किसी ने बोला, मैंने किया. ओके, ये ऐसा था कि ये और ये इक्वल है, बराबर है. और मैंने ये बोला था ए बी सी डी, ये 110 है, तो ऑफकोर्स ये 110 आया, मैंने 70 लिखा बाय चांस, गड़बड़ हुआ। और बाद में x+110 इज 180, ऐसा आएगा। तो आंसर विल बी 35। रियली सॉरी सर, हाउ टू नो दैट इट इज अ कॉनसाइक्लिक सर्कल? वेरी सिंपल। कॉनसाइक्लिक मीन्स देखो ऑल पॉइंट सर्कल के ऊपर है ना, तो सर्कल इज पॉइंट्स आर कॉल्ड कॉनसाइक्लिक। कॉनसाइक्लिक का मतलब पॉइंट्स lie on the same circle। अच्छा, अभी दो नए वाले प्रॉपर्टीज में बोलने वाला है जो आईसीएससी में कभी देखे ही नहीं, आईसीएससी स्टूडेंट नेवर हैड। so I want you all to copy this very well। ये कॉपी करना जरूरी है for ICSE student, for all। if you copy, ओजस बोल, ओजस allowed to talk।
Yes, sir.
yes yes, you raise hand now, you ask me, I thought you have doubt।
Sir, will you please explain that last question about that 110? I'm not understood.
okay, sure। When last means you are talking about the same one which I'm
Yes.
okay, yes okay ओजस। these students, मैं क्या what I was talking, ये ABCD साइक्लिक है and it is given that angle DCA exterior angle 110 है and we have to find angle ADB। ADB मतलब ये वाला एंगल। अच्छा, अभी मेरा फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी मैंने क्या बोला था कि ये जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है इट इज इक्वल टू बाजू वाले का सामने वाला, ये वाला प्रॉपर्टी। क्लियर? तो
Yes.
यस, ये 110 है तो एंगल BAD विल बी 110। ये समझा रोजस?
Yes, sir. I understood that.
यस। उसके बाद इट इज गिवन दैट AB एंड AD इक्वल है and you know isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, base angles are equal।
Yes, sir. That I
So
understood.
base angles x. Now so math sum is 180, so you will get the answer।
Literally 55.
Yeah, so 2x is 70, so x will be 30। yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you। Now these two properties which I am going to explain, we never had in ICSC syllabus, but we have in SSC। see ये question में, see what it is, a vertex of angle lies outside the circle and inside the circle। see इधर देखो कि ये वर्टेक्स है इधर और इधर ये वर्टेक्स है, ये सेंटर नहीं है, सेंट्रल एंगल नहीं है, ये किधर भी दूसरे सेंटर कुछ अलग ही है। सेंटर इज समवेयर हियर, सेंटर इधर है। अच्छा, तो प्लीज रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन वर्टेक्स इज, अगर 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 वर्टेक्स सर्कल पे होता है तो मैं उसको, ये विल ड्रॉ अनदर डायग्राम। ये देखो, इफ वर्टेक्स लाइज ऑन द सर्कल, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल। इफ वर्टेक्स लाइज एट द सेंटर, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सेंट्रल एंगल। तो फर्क देखो, फर्क देखो, वर्टेक्स सेंटर पे है, सेंट्रल एंगल। वर्टेक्स सर्कल पे है, then inscribed angle। But now in this case, vertex is neither on the circle nor at the center। एक में सर्कल के बाहर है, एक में सर्कल के अंदर है, तो इसके प्रॉपर्टीज अलग है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस प्रॉपर्टी। MCQ में गारंटेड सम आ सकता है। सपोज ये ABC, ये DE, ये PQRS and this is O। अच्छा, suppose I have to find angle ROQ, angle RO, or angle BAD or CAE, angle CAE. Then the property says, sorry, then the property says if vertex is outside, then the angle is half of the difference of the intercepted arc. And if vertex is inside, angle is half of the sum of the intercepted arc. Okay, so half of sum, half of difference. Please remember this very well. And please copy also. So half of arc CE minus arc BD and half of arc RQ प्लस RPS. सर आपको क्या देंगे? आपको मेजर देंगे, इसका मेजर 70, इसका मेजर 30. जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, नथिंग. बट इफ यू नो द फॉर्मूला यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट. If you don't know the formula, it's not possible to substitute. So please remember this very well. So please copy both the formulae, स्टार करके रखो, इसके ऊपर guaranteed MCQ आएंगे. चलो copy fast. I will give you 1 minute to copy. Yes, these are very, very important properties. Today we have covered almost all the last part, which is not there for your in your syllabus. I will not explain because that exercise was deleted from the syllabus. So students, based on this so many properties, आज हम लोग ने इतना सारा पढ़ा है, इतना सारा properties पढ़ा है, तो उसमें और भी 2-4 एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉपर्टीज आई विल एक्सप्लेन. एंड वन मोर क्लास हम लोग सिर्फ सर्कल के एमसीक्यूज करेंगे, सिर्फ सर्कल के. Whatever MCQ file I have shared, around 20 MCQs and on every topic. I want you all to try and so angle POR is half. Yes, yes, Ansh, correct. What you're saying is. So you try to solve. You can get Navneet or Target book for extra. Tuesday, we will get exact idea about the date of CET. Okay, hopefully it will be in the last week of August. We are planning one minimum or 2 tests to explain you how you should, on mark on OMR sheets. So within a week, you will get clear-cut idea. Sir, can you concyclic सर्कल नहीं होता है, concyclic cyclic quadrilateral, ये एक कंसेप्ट है. एंड concyclic पॉइंट्स बोलते हैं. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. देखो, एक क्या बोलता है, cyclic quadrilateral means quadrilateral with all the 4 vertices lie on the same circle. So I can say ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. And if I talk about only points ABCD, point A, point B, point C, point D, they are called concyclic points because they all lie on the same circle. Okay. Now, students, I will just give you few extra points which may not be there for CET, Now only I'm telling you. But since we have 10-15 minutes and I can't take few sums, so I will just give you. Oh, so students, please you can see my next is tangent secant theorem. You can write with me tangent secant theorem. It has two parts. Tangent secant theorem has two parts. I will explain both. एक बोलता है एंगल फॉर्म बाय द टेंजेंट, एंगल फॉर्म बाय द टेंजेंट एंड द सीकंट. ये सीकंट है बिकॉज दो पॉइंट में कट करती है और ये टेंजेंट है. तो ए बी सी. अच्छा, so this angle formed by tangent and secant is again half of the intercepted arc. अभी इसके अंदर की आर्क ये है, ये intercepted arc है, right? So if you name, so you can write major angle ABC is half major arc AXC. It is same as inscribed angle, but this angle is not inscribed because this BC line doesn't cut the circle at all. So this is called tangent secant theorem. Angle formed by the tangent and secant is half of the intercepted arc. और एक tangent secant theorem है, आप मेरे साथ वापस लिख सकते हैं because this may not be there for exam. The angle formed by tangent and secant, same. A, B, C. This angle is equal to the angle formed by the alternate segments. Kiva, this is equal to the angle formed in the opposite arc. You can remember. See, I will tell you. Angle formed by tangent and secant. Yeah, that is this angle. Is equal to the angle formed in the opposite arc, means ये वाली opposite arc है. इसके अंदर जो भी एंगल फॉर्म होगा लाइक दिस, उसके साथ इक्वल होगा. अच्छा, तो आई विल रिपीट, एंगल फॉर्म by tangent and secant, that is angle ABC is equal to angle ADB. Okay, so this is also tangent secant theorem. Both are very simple because and very easy to recollect because they have same arc. देखो ADB, ABC both share same arc, so they are equal. So this is called tangent secant theorem. Okay, please copy this and then I will this sir measure of arc AXB is nothing but the center. Yes, correct. Arya, correct. Please copy this. This may not be there for exam, but since we are learning circle, मैं सब साथ में पढ़ा था. और एक दो तीन प्रॉपर्टी बाकी है. Not audible. I don't know what's wrong. Am I audible? अभी किसी ने बोला सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Yes, now you are. Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, so students, ये last property है मेरी. With this we'll wind up the session. क्या है? Imagine two chords of a circle. They intersect inside chord AB and chord CD. They intersect inside the circle. अच्छा. Next, chord AB and CD. They intersect outside the circle. देखो, AB को extend करेंगे, CD को extend करेंगे. They will intersect outside the circle. And next is tangent and a chord, or you can say secant. अच्छा, so एक tangent है और एक secant है. Secant means it will cut in 2 points like this. Tangent means it will touch at 1 point. So in all the cases, we have different set of formulae जो आपको याद रखने हैं. So to remember the formulae, मेरा जो trick है, आपको point of intersection याद रखना है. इसका point of intersection O है, इसका point of intersection P है, इसका point of intersection O है. So always start formula with point of intersection O. OA into OB, OC into OD. Point of intersection to one end of the chord, point of intersection to other end of the chord. PB into PA. It is not BA. PD into PC, not PC. P has to be there in every term. Okay? Same way. OB into OC is OA into OA. So it is called as OA square. So see the trick. Start with point of intersection O, point of intersection to one end of the chord, OA. Point of intersection to other end of the chord. So OA into OB, OC into OD. Same. Point of intersection is P. So I will start PB into PA, PD into PC. PD into PC. PB into PA. Same way. OB into OC. OB into OC is OA square. So please remember what is the trick for the formulae is very simple. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? You have to find out where is the point of intersection. अभी इसमें O है. So point of intersection to one end of the chord, other end of the chord. One end of the chord, other end of the chord. So OA into OB, OC into OD. Is that clear? Is that clear? Check. Copy fast. Yes. आर्या पवार का क्वेश्चन है सर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? They will give you length students. अगर ये बोलेंगे ये 3 है, ये 2 है, ये 6 है, find OC. तो तुमको सब्स्टिट्यूट करके वैल्यू निकालना है. That's all. Okay. Very pretty simple. Please copy. Then I will just wind up with giving you brief idea about what we did in today's class. In today's class, I have explained almost everything about circle. Everything. I haven't missed a single property, I guess. I don't know. By chance, if I have missed anyone, I will just check. but 99% I have explained you each and every property of circle. So if you watch again the same video lecture, I hope all the doubts will be clear. I hope you have copied all the three properties. Yes. So to start with, uh, students, to start with students, I will just give you what we did. I started with, the basics of ninth standard. What we studied in standard 9. Okay, what is radius, diameter, chord, secant, वो सब किया. Then externally, internally touching circle, diameter is the longest chord, उसके ऊपर MCQ, एक दो MCQ, पर चार theorem, perpendicular on chord bisects the chord. Then tangent related four properties. Tangent related four properties. बराबर है. Tangent theorem क्या है? Tangent segments congruent क्या है? Then few MCQs based on those properties. Then arc. See, concept of arc is totally new for ICSE. So I request ICSE students to watch this video again. कि जैसे angle has measure, arc has measure is a concept which is newly introduced in SSC. No, it was not in ICSE. But rest of the things are same. Central angle, inscribed angle, intersected arc, all these things are. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Then cyclic के दो properties. Okay. Then this is something new. Half of the R sum, difference of the sum. Then ये वाले तो ठीक है. Now, students, I will just give you. I think tomorrow there is a High Court notification about what will happen to the CET exam, but 99% it will be held on the date that is 21st of August, around that. So we will plan one test in this week. Yes, Arya Power, I don't know. कल समझेगा सीटी पोस्टपोन होने वाला है. Everything will be, clear by tomorrow afternoon. बट एक OMR शीट मार्क करने के लिए हम लोग क्लास ले लेंगे. ओके, टिल देन गुड बाय बाय. Kshitij, I don't know really what will happen if CET is cancelled. I don't know. I don't think वो cancel होगी. I don't think CET cancel होगी. Bye bye.